Welcome. In this video, let's have a quick look about what is the difference between Solana SPL token and token 2022 or SPL 22, step by step in this video. Welcome, dear friend. I'm Solomon Foske, founder of dProgramming University, a free Web3 development education platform. Please note our content are for education purpose only, not financial, trading, investment, programming or development advice into any of the platform discussed. Always do your own research. And please, we may get sponsorship, partnership, token or whatever form during, before or after creating this content, but we try as much as possible to remain unbiased and make it educative. If that agreed on, let's get right into this content. Yeah, let's quickly look at what's the difference between Solana SPL token that most people already know of and the new one, another called Solana SPL 2022 token. Now, the first thing I've talked about Solana SPL token, what it is, and we've learned about it. You can watch the previous video, so I won't go back into it. But in summary of it is just like the standard that define how token are being created on Solana, and then it has a program that have been deployed on Solana that if you want to create a token, you can interact with it to create a mint account, then create a token and a mint token and things like that. So when you look at this, the first one, number one difference between them is this is the old SPL token standard, because this was the most popularly used. You want to build NFT, you want to build fungible token, this is actually the token standard you will usually interact with. But then since like early 2023, I don't know when you'll be watching this, this new one started picking up, which is SPL 2022 or token 2022. Token 2022. So that was when it started being used because of a lot of the advantages, which we still learn. Another difference between them is that this has no extensions. But this one has extension. So this has extension, this no extension. So what are those extensions? In the coming video, I'm still going to talk more about Solana token 2022 and some of those things, then also token extensions. But what you just need to know, normally when you have a browser and then you have an extension, that means features that are missing is being added to make it easier for you to use natively within that browser. So when you are interacting with Solana program library, token program, you can add extensions on it. That means you can integrate some features that are not default, but a lot of people, businesses, users of the Solana blockchain have been requesting for it for years, and most of them, the developer had to, just find one or two ways to add those features to it, which makes it unsafe most times because these things are not verified, and then the implementation from token A will be different from token B and C. You see issues like that. So, but with token extension, the extensions can be available, so you use any one you want to use. But if 2, 3, 10, 20 token use the same extension, they will have the same, they will be more secure because that extension they use was developed and integrated as core of this token program. Not that each individual developers are trying to fix things on their own. So the third one here is the metadata. I just want to point out too. So when you talk about the metadata, if you have deployed SPL token before, you see that most times when you talk about the metadata, which like the token image or icon or what you will call it, details about the token and things like that, you usually put it off chain. That is when platform like Metaplex came to the rescue. So that means you will need to create a Metaplex, interact with the Metaplex, program separately to handle and then connect them together and things like that. So, but with this SPL token 2022 now, you have the on-chain metadata directly, which you can, you still like host it somewhere, but you can now integrate it directly into the actual mint address itself, instead of trying to just link it to another program that will hold the metadata for you. So there are a lot of other features as well. Let me know in the comment what's your experience, what have I missed that you can also add in the comment. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to use the donate button, and as well recommend the platform for the project maybe you are team part of or blockchains to create helpful beginner simplified guides for Web3 developers. So for your developer community and things like that, we can simplify those complex things for them in the programming university. So you can reach out if it's courses, guides, tutorials, anything, just reach out through grant and things to partner. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next. I remain Solomon Foske. Keep the programming spirit and alive, and please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming skill and not evil, to make the world a better place and universe, for a better place for us all. See you in the next one. Peace.